can't beat the treatment here at all. So.
Yeah, today we have Charles here. He's coming back today for one of his appointments, but he's had some treatment with us here at the Hollies Dental Practice. Would you mind to share with us what sort of treatment did you have here, Charles?
Yeah, I had 2 teeth extracted. I had all my fillings redone, the silver ones taken, the metal ones taken out and replaced with white fillings.
And you're quite happy with the results that you've received?
Yeah, it looks fantastic.
Good.
Yeah, it's night and day. Yeah.
And how was the treatment process itself? How did you find it?
Yeah, everything was smooth. The treatment was fine.
Okay.
Pain-free.
Pain-free as well?
Yeah, all the injections were pain-free. So.
Good stuff, yeah, because we were using some of the gel there to numb the skin. Yeah, excellent. And I believe you're just about to go into Susan's surgery to experience the airflow appointment.
Yeah, that's right,
and
for the first time,
and I'm sure you'll be happy. We've got lots of happy patients coming up from Susan's chair.
I've heard nothing but good things from people I've spoke to as well.
Excellent.
Done here as well.
Okay.
I've always come here, so I wouldn't go anywhere else really. So.
Right, that's really kind words from you. Thanks, Charles. Thanks so much.
Can't beat the treatment here at all. So everyone's lovely as well. All the staff. Everyone's friendly. Just can't fault the place at all. It's been a great experience.
Right, excellent. We're happy to have you here as well, Charles.
I'm happy to be here.